Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Tech is Guru. On today's tutorial, I'll guide you how to recover the X account suspended problem. For that, simply you need to open up any browser and you need to type in Twitter Help Center. On the results section, you will find Twitter Help Center on the first link. Simply you need to tap on that link. You will be appear on this help center. Under the select or topic, you will find locked and suspended account issue. Simply you need to tap on that. Once you tap on that, you will be appear on this page where here on the box you can see you are currently not logged in or logged in to or X account that is not suspended or logged. So please log out. Here is the logout link. By tapping on the logout link, you can simply log out on the X account or the Twitter account and again log in into it. And then after that, one report submitting box will be appear where you need to describe your issue and submit the report. Once you submit the report, then X or the Twitter will find out the solution after 24 or 48 hours, and then you can easily solve the X account suspended problem. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button. Thank you.